me, Lee Sagardano, on the Sounds Your Turn. I have taken over your radio station to play the music I want to hear on 100.3 The Sound. The Pretender by Jackson Browne is a pretty special song. My mom had told me growing up that I reminded her of my Aunt Janet, who I unfortunately didn't get to meet before she passed away, and she was a huge Jackson Browne fan. So this song's pretty special to me, and this one goes out to her sons, my cousins Spencer and Nick.
I'm gonna rid myself a house in the shade of the freeway. Gonna pack my lunch in the morning and go to work each day. And when the evening rolls around, I'll go on home and lay my body down. Come streaming in, I'll get up and do it again. Amen. Say it again. Amen. I wanna know what became of the changes we waited for love to bring. Were they only the fitful dreams of some greater awakening? Time going by. They say in the end it's the wink of an eye. When the morning light comes streaming in, you get up and do it again. Caught between the longing for love and the struggle for the legal tender. To the cool of the evening strolls the pretender. He knows that all his hopes and dreams begin and end there. I'm gonna find myself a girl who can show me what love means, and we'll fill in the missing colors in each other's paint by number dreams. And we'll put our dark glasses on, and we'll make love until our strength is gone. Come streaming in, we'll get up and do it again. Get it up again. I'm gonna be a happy idiot, the pretender.